Hi, my name is Harsh Diwan. I'm creating a physics extra credit assignment on a lecture I attended on the 4th of April. The lecture was titled Baseball and Physics. You can observe a lot by watching, and it was conducted by Professor Alan Nathan from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Just as the name suggests, the lecture was based on the physics involved in a baseball game. Professor Alan Nathan analyzed two main points in his lecture. The first point was the bat and ball interaction, or the dynamics of bat-ball collision, under which he analyzed how a bat works, and wood versus aluminium debate as the choice material for the bat. The second point he analyzed was the motion of a curveball or the flight of a baseball, under which he analyzed the drag, lift and all that, and also fancy techniques for baseball analysis. The topic is interesting to me because I am new to the game of baseball and I love physics. Understanding the physics behind the game of baseball would give me helpful insight into the game and further enhance my interest. The lecture caught my attention immediately when Professor mentioned the quote, "The physics of baseball ain't rocket science, it's much harder," from his mentor Bob Adair's book, Physics of Baseball. The topic that I would like to discuss is whether Mariano Rivera's cutter is unhittable. If we analyze the ball's trajectory since it is thrown from the pitcher's hand to it comes to the home plate, we see that when the ball is around 20 feet from the home plate, the trajectory shifts to away from the home plate. Since the reaction time of the batter is just when the distance is around 20 feet from the home plate, he has to decide just as the ball is curving whether he wants to hit the ball or not. After he decides to actually hit it, the ball curves and moves away from the home plate. That is the reason Mariano Rivera's cutter is almost unplayable. To follow up on the lecture and find out more about the things Professor talked about, I visited the Professor's website, which is very informative and deals with topics that the Professor did not in detail in the lecture. To understand the knuckleball, which is a very fascinating thing I found in the lecture, and I couldn't actually grasp the concept in the lecture, I found a YouTube video of the Professor explaining the knuckleball. The links to both the pages have been included in the video. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you.